Hello everyone, myself Anuj Mankar. I am native from Maharashtra. I am BSc Biotechnology graduate from Sant Gadgababa Amravati University in the year 2021. I had joined Evision in September 2021. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consultant company. I had joined Evision for job internship under the guidance of IT manager and administrator. In Evision, I have learned some technologies like networking, CCNA, Windows administration, hypervisor, ITIL, and cybersecurity. In networking, I have learned about types of networking devices, protocols, network security, proxies, firewall, etc. In CCNA, I have learned about routing, switching, network configuration, static and dynamic, VLANs, ACL, NAT, etc. In Windows administration, I have learned about creating administrator account, creating user account, giving permissions to the user account, sharing files in workgroup as well as domain using FTP, etc. In virtualization, I have learned about hypervisors, technology and applications. In ITIL, I have learned about incident management, problem management, asset management, change management, SLA, OLA, ticketing and ticketing tools. These are some key technologies that I have learned in Evision under the guidance of IT manager and mentors. It was a really good time training in Evision. Thank you.